guys, going to start to look like a... Okay guys, good morning. I hope you're all doing well, and in this video we're going to talk about the 1-to-6 size Harrier. As you can see in the first moments of this video, the Harrier is still a really difficult project. I'm scaling up now, but weight will remain an issue. So, as you might know, I've been using the Schubler, the 128mm, for a really long time. But the EDF is quite heavy, it's 1.9 kilos. So with the setup with the ESC, you need a bunch of batteries, and it's going to be a really heavy setup. Therefore, for the 1-to-8 size, I'm going back to JP, which we have tested in the bench with amazing results. This EDF setup is only 550 grams and can push almost 9 kilos. And with the 70% efficiency, we will be ending around 6.8, 6.9 kilos. So, but also the weight of the entire airplane will reduce by like 1.5 kilos. So we are flying now, the current weight that you saw in the first video, it's 7 kilos, 7.3 kilos, which is a lot. So if we can eliminate 1.5 kilos, we will be ending at 5.8. That will be a really great result. And with the additional EDS, we will escape in ground effect quite easy. With more than 9 kilos of thrust on a model which is around 5.5, 5.6 kilos maybe. So let's see. It's still a difficult project, but I'm super happy. Also, the next thing is we're going to build the 1-to-6 size. Look, this is only the front piece of the cockpit, which is super big. It's going actually super well. And yeah, I'm looking forward. Look. This is only the cockpit size of the 1-to-6. So let's zoom into some projects, and I hope you will enjoy this video. It's not a long video, but I want to make sure that you guys are updated. Well guys, we are going to be more professional because we are now able to CNC cut aluminium parts and some nice plastic parts. I'm happy that Makera reached out because you need one of these in a professional workshop. Can you imagine that we can make aluminium parts for the super big Harrier, like landing gear? It's going to be awesome. I'm super happy with the support of PCBWay, but sometimes you need to iterate a little bit more faster because they need good files. So I want to test files before. Normally I use 3D printers to iterate and then ship them over to PCBWay, but now I can also CNC quickly and eventually use the services of PCBWay. So Makera, thank you so much for reaching out. More videos about this machine soon. And look, we got a lot of bits to play with, so they make sure that I can continue. And I got also a vacuum cleaner in the bottom that keeps the chamber quite clean. So more about this, let me know in the comment if you want to see detailed videos of the Makera. So yeah, as you can see, we have some projects ongoing. This is the one that you just saw in the beginning of the video, which is way too heavy. I love the integrity because we are using PLA CF parts, but we can do this way more smarter. Oh, cool. Another another part is done for the big one. Wow, this is a massive inlet, guys. Whew. I cannot wait to do the first assembly. Maybe I can do the first nose assembly at the end of this video. So here we got our new Harrier built, installed with the JP. We got enough air to provide the volume which is needed to feed the Pegasus. Also, the nozzles are really smooth. These are redesigned. We got 2 degrees outbound angle, which is way more better, and it runs super amazing by only tilting one hand. Super cool. Look at this mess, guys. We have so much work to do, but I love it. So for the 1-to-6 size, it will be a conventional takeoff airplane. We're going to use a Schubler. It can, because yeah, I just need 1-to-1 thrust ratio, so that will be doing fine. Okay guys, let's talk about the auxiliary doors. And this part will have functional auxiliary doors. This is going to be really cool. So I need to sand it still. Work ongoing. The 1-to-8 size with the new JP, which is feeling already awesomely lightweight. Crazy. So we're going to use a hidden 64 in the front and hidden 50 in the back because the CG is somewhere over here. So that's why we need more pressure in the front, because or else it will flip over or dive over, and we don't want that. So the canopy is already installed with nice magnets. Super cool. And to give you an idea, look, this is going to be big. Awesome. So I'm printing already the left side of the inlet, and hopefully at the end of the video I can show you more about the midsection, which is going to be epic. Okay guys, a little bit fast forward into the future. I just glued the sections together, but we found out that the doors are a little bit too big. Most common fault I make, by the way. We need some margin to make the move open and close really smoothly, but they are looking awesome, guys. Look at it. And to compare it, by the way, with the current Harrier, look, crazy. Wow. So it's also like a big nice puzzle. Sorry for the mess, I didn't prepare this shot. Let me see. And we got our inlet. These are actually fitting really nicely. So for now I'm printing the doors in 95% to see if we got more play. Okay, I think this is a nice ending for this video. I'm really happy with the Harrier, how it comes out. Make sure to follow this build and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. She is stunning and also lightweight, which is important. I also opened this area for more air for the front EDF. Meanwhile, we are happy with those working auxiliary doors. They're not perfect, but this is just my first draft version, which is super huge. I already told you in the video, this part is really big. Look at it. Wow. So we're going to continue with this one next week. We're going to do some iteration to see if the carbon tubes are in place. Let's see. And this model, yeah, we're going to put it aside to make more space in this build room. But yeah, not approved. Also too heavy for flying. So we need to stay under 6.5 kilos. 6 kilos would be amazing weight for this size of model. Okay, this is it for this week. See you next time.